Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to fix Msftconnecttest redirect Windows 11 issue. This occurs when Windows network connectivity test is redirect improperly or causing internet connection issues or repeated directs. So let's see how to fix that one. So as initial step you need to go to start menu, go to setting. On the left side menu select network and internet. Scroll down and tap on advanced network setting. Simply tap on network reset, tap on reset now option. Then after you have to restart your PC by just go to start menu, tap on power icon, tap on restart option. So the next method is you have to press Windows and R on your keyboard. It will be open run menu. So you need to type REGEDIT. Then after tap on OK. First you need to go to the HK local machine, double tap on it. Then after go to system, then after current control set, then after services, then after NIA SVC, scroll down. Okay, you can see NIA SVC in here, double tap on it, go to parameters, then after internet. In the right side menu find the D word enable active probing. So you can see it is right here, double tap on it. Set the value as 0. It is currently set as 1. You have to set it as 0 like this. Tap on OK. Then after restart your PC. So next method is you have to set the default browser for HTTP and HTTPS protocols. To do that again you need to press Windows and R. It will be open run menu. So now you need to type ms-setting space, not space, double dot, default apps, and hit enter. Other than that you can go to start menu, go to setting, left side menu go to apps and tap on default apps on the right side menu. Then after you need to scroll down and select your preferred browser. As an example you can select Google Chrome, and you need to scroll down and find HTTP and HTTPS. So tap on it, then after select your browser, tap on OK. Same thing for the HTTPS also, like this. Then after close and restart your PC. So the next method is you have to reset your browser. To do that, first you need to open your browser. Then after tap on three dots if you are using Chrome. Then after go to setting. In the left side menu select the reset setting. Tap on restore setting to their original value. Tap on reset setting. Once it is done you can close this one. And the next method is you have to run the network commands. To do that first you need to go to search bar, type CMD, right click on it, tap on run as administrator. First you need to type netsh winsock reset, hit enter. Then after type netsh int ip reset, hit enter. Then after ipconfig/release, hit enter. Then after ipconfig/renew, hit enter. Finally ipconfig/flushdns, hit enter and restart your PC. So these are the methods you can try to fix your Msftconnecttest redirect issue. If you think this video is helpful, please consider subscribe and liking this video.